You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. Residents of Mawkynrew and Mawlein under the banner of the Sur Paidbah jong ki AR Dorbar Shnong on Tuesday said that they will not to allow the construction of the Ramakrishna Mission School to resume in Mawkynrew village in East Khasi Hills till the issue of land dispute is resolved. This came a day after the violent protest over the issue which led to 6 persons including 4 women police injured. A curfew has been imposed to prevent further law and order problem in the village. The residents have alleged that the acting Sordar and his close aides have allotted the land at Unzar football ground to the management of Ramakrishna Mission for the construction of school building despite the same was already handed over to the Mawkynrew Sports Club. Speaking to media persons, former Sordar of Mawlein village Franstarwell Wankar said that the people of Mawkynrew and Mawlein are not against the construction of schools but are against the allotment of the said land at Madan U. Unzar since it was allotted to Mawkynrew Sports Club. Wankar alleged that the current acting Sordar along with his close aides had bypassed the 2 Dorbar Shnongs and its people by allotting land to the Ramakrishna Mission to construct its school building. We also need the school to uplift the education scenario in the region and at the same time we need a football ground, but this opposition to the construct the Ramakrishna Mission is not against education but it is against the misuse of power by the acting Sordar and his closed aides to hand over the same plot of land to Ramakrishna Mission. He added that there is enough evidence that the land given by the acting Sordar to the Ramakrishna Mission is not at Unzar football ground but the ongoing construction of the school building has encroached inside the football field. Over the same plot of land to Ramakrishna Mission, he added that there is enough evidence that the land given by the acting Sordar to the Ramakrishna Mission is not at Unzar football ground but the ongoing construction of the school building has encroached inside the football field.
Trong năm balalay, tangi la emi Paidbah kata cakap kapat yang ke building, tapi kidang ti tangga foundation ke permission paya, kidang ti tangi kata cakap ngila emi Paidbah. Bat ubidi jong ngomong kono blok ulawan lang ha katai kesni. Ulo ong ba sange na shwa ya kani ya ka bamenta ngan simti mga ban ngan pen sange ya kani ke cing tere berkoi. Nrai hadu kan tangi sania ayo ubidi kum obsar badai pai cek senong cekadong ka tangi sania ayo nrai kani ke cing le cung ke cing kular cung khmat cung ki Paidbah kalong mar khong po.
Sange menyekarang berbor ni juga ramsna. Balik besar begini cekar ni.
Oh ya bedai bat kata bat Ramakrishna Mission kamtre bani keren bani kamtre marngil ada ban yo ya hering ma nakali yang jong Ramakrishna Mission ro yala yo hering khmat jong DC berim jong asli sadhu ngil adon ban nakali yang jong DC ulong kat kum cingpan tungi ban pelai ban ay ka publik hering mereka mdon setia ka bakum kata ro kani gadai tang kecing penbit sudah yang iki Paidbah maka cingwan ra cungi kacing keno cung utai acting ya unong pertasinong cung mau kuno katai kadai balada ban penbaik da Dorbar bat banu ra ya ki mo kiu ki muna kinar lengka kalong ban peniba nginti ya kamadan football kumangala keren menangane nginti ya kamadan football ban peni ban kamtra ya katai caka bangila ai caka kalau om ban penmansau ya nu ruem nrai ngilai ban sumar banti ban penbahaya katai ke madan ban nganu benong nadian kani ngikerpan ya ka sport club lada ka don kalat kelenti om banti tang de kibri hundai ban wat ya kilat kelenti ki skim ki baper lada long ka bala ban penbahaya katai ke cakah ni ai nakali yang cungi ki Paidbah ngi kubur ba ya kani ke caka bala da ban ai ke chong saha ka klop banang pen bha su su ke te caka ban wan ra ya madan ke bitan. Itang kini